It is nighttime on September 8th, and look at the snow. Wonderful, fluffy snow. It's a little slushy. But that's still good, hearty snow. Look at all the snow on that saguaro. On the arms. And on this arm. Wonderful snow. My clematis plant, it's covered now. The leaves are covered. That's totally done. There you go. That's like a few inches of snow. Oh yeah. It is snowing. And it is a reason to celebrate. A September snowstorm. You gotta love it, baby. Let it snow. Let it snow. Just let it keep snowing. And if you don't like it, well, maybe you shouldn't live in Colorado. So, because it does snow a lot.
What the heck are you doing?
Hey, buddy.